name's Eden, and Keith. Welcome back to the Hope and
Bubby Show. Okay, today we have super scary news. When we were playing volleyball with that ball, nothing hit this and it just fell off. We're not tricking you guys.
and it almost fell on top of me.
Yeah, we're not kidding.
So we're gonna do volleyball and prove that something is tricking us, or maybe it's just the wind from the ball. But I'm not for sure because it's not that strong.
Yeah.
So we're gonna put you guys right next to the broom, right by that broom, and tell us if anything spooky happens. It down in the comments. Thanks.
We're gonna watch this video after this.
And I bet we won't see. And I bet we won't see anything, so you guys still comment.
So guys, look at that bar, right? Yeah, the bar under, that bar, if you can see it. If that falls, that one that's wiggling, if that falls, you guys need to tell us, okay?
Wait, so I put it in a better position for you guys to see it. So you tell us.
It's right in the middle.
Okay, guys, so that's how. Oh my. Did you guys see that right when we got up? And that was no wind.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, we need to tell him.
I hooked it on great like that, like those. And this one's not even barely on. It is on.
Yeah.
So this is another redo, okay? We proved that. And it almost hit us.
Yeah, this happened 3 times. This 2 times.